So first we are going to learn the pronouns. Okay, pronouns. Pronouns are called pronombres. See that?
Pronombres.
Yeah, pronombres. Pronouns means subject, right? Like we use na I, we, you, they. So we have left side singular subject, singular pronouns, and we have right side plural.
Plural.
Okay. So yo, I means yo.
Yo.
I means yo. You means two, and you can see that in you we have an accent, right?
Yes.
And this two we use for informal conversation. For informal conversation, for example, you're talking to your friend, your siblings, yeah, colleagues. Yes. So this is two. Like in Hindi we use, right? Next, he is called L. Say that.
L.
L. E of an accent called remember. Next, she is Iya.
Yeah.
Iya. Next is you. We have a feeling you. Usted.
Space.
Usted. Yes.
But it will be written as UD, right?
Yeah, will be written as UD.
And
Okay.
will be pronounced as U.
Usted. Usted. Usted means formal. You know, you're talking to somebody elder or maybe senior than you. Then you're using usted. I will explain you with the verbs. So right now we are just learning this. Next is plural one. In plural we have nosotros, nosotras. That means we. So when you are calling, suppose you are a male person and I'm also a male. So we would say nosotros, right?
No, so
And if you and me both are female, then I would say nosotras. Or if you, you are a female and I'm a male, so we would use also nosotros. When we have only male, then nosotros. When we have male or female both, then nosotros. Or when we have only female, then nosotras. Okay? Next. Vosotros, vosotras. That means you all. This is also informal. I'm writing here. You will get this PPT. So for the revision purpose and video as well, I will give you. Okay. So you all. Suppose you and your friend, maybe I'm talking to both of you. So I would say vosotras. Suppose you and your friend female. The friend is also female. Vosotras, right? Or suppose if you are a male and your friend is also male, then vosotros. Or if you are, suppose not if you are female and your friend is suppose male. So I would say vosotros only. Okay. Next, and any doubt here? Any question?
No. Till here.
Okay. Okay. So please stop me, okay, if you are not able to understand. Next, eos is for male, masculine. That is they, and ellas is for feminine, right? So, but here also, if you're talking about male or female both, then they use eos only. But if the person, all the people are female, sorry.
If both will be the females, then we will only use eos. Otherwise, if one male and one female, then eos. Both male, then also eos.
Yes. Next one is ustedes. That means you all. Formal, right? This one is usted, left side, and right one is ustedes. We write like this, UDS, and pronunciation is ustedes, right? So I hope you understand this.
Yes.
Pronouns. Okay. Now